Purslane, omega-3 richness for heart and health. In recent times, there has been a growing interest in the inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids in our diets because of their health benefits. Omega-3 fats are vital fats that our bodies require to function. However, they aren't naturally created in our body. A surprising source for omega-3 fats is a plant known as purslane. Purslane is scientifically referred to as Portulaca Oleracea, is a drought-resistant succulent plant that is thought of as a weed in a variety of regions around the globe. But this herb is actually a powerful source of nutrition that has been utilized in traditional medical practices for a long time. One of the most well-known health advantages of purslane is its omega-3 fatty acids amount. Omega-3 fatty acids, such as the alpha-linolenic acids, ALA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, as well as docosahexaenoic acids, DHA, have been proven to provide many health benefits, particularly in relation to heart health. These fatty acids have been proven to decrease inflammation, reduce blood pressure, increase cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. The thing that makes purslane special is the fact that it has greater levels of omega-3 fatty acids than the majority of other sources derived from plants. It is especially rich in ALA, which is a precursor for EPA as well as DHA. Although ALA isn't as easily absorbable in the human body like EPA and DHA, however, research has shown that it still has positive health effects, particularly when consumed in sufficient quantities. Incorporating purslane into your diet could be an excellent way to boost the intake of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly if you adhere to a vegan or vegetarian diet. In addition to its omega-3 fatty acid and omega-3 fatty acid content, purslane is an excellent source of other important nutrients. It is a great source of vitamin A, C, and E and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It's also high in antioxidants that help to defend the body from the effects of oxidative stress and help protect cells from damage. Combining these elements make purslane an excellent supplement to a healthy diet. Alongside its health benefits, purslane has been investigated for its potential medicinal benefits. Traditional healers have utilized purslane for a variety of purposes for treating digestive issues as well as reducing inflammation and aiding in wound healing. Although more research is required to understand the full extent of these effects, early studies have demonstrated positive results. Integrating purslane into your diet is much easier than you think. It is a great ingredient in a myriad of recipes, both cooked and raw. Its mildly tangy flavor and crisp texture makes it an excellent ingredient in soups, salads, or stir-fries. It can also be used in smoothies. A variety of cultures across the globe have included purslane in their traditional dishes for centuries, and there are a lot of recipes and cooking methods to try. If you're looking to try purslane, you'll usually be able to find it in farmers markets or specialty stores. You could also grow it on your own, since purslane is fairly easy to grow. Be sure to select organic sources to avoid possible exposure to pesticides. In the end, purslane is an underappreciated plant which packs a nutritional punch. Its high content of omega-3 fatty acids and its wealth of minerals and vitamins makes it an excellent supplement to a healthy diet. If you're trying for ways to boost your health or need to add more plant-based nutrition in your diet, think about including purslane in your diet.